Past, yes. And so this will be on my personal experiences and how I have developed over the years on this topic and gained. The next slide, please. So as I said, that most people are not aware that the process of decision making can be improved. And one wrong decision can ruin life and vice versa. There are a lot of books you can find on corporate decision making. But what I realized a few years back, that there was not even a single book on personal decision making. And personal decision making in mind is more difficult than a corporate or professional decision making because emotions come into play. So when emotions come into play, the decision making becomes even more challenging. And as I said, it's very important for youngsters and children to learn this. I found my long-term goals by a mere accident. That's how and when I realized how important the long-term goals are. And that I call it a Boston experience, which is unprecedented in academic circles. And we have several eponymous concepts published in top international journals, which include Garg protocol, how to do anal fistulas, in which the internal opening is not locatable, Garg classification, Garg's scoring system to predict long-term healing in cryptoglandular fistulas. This was the first scoring system. Now we have published the new incontinence codes, and we have discovered new spaces on MRI which are called Rectal fistula and outer sphincteric space, which we'll be discussing in the next session, and this will be coming in Gray's Anatomy soon. And France history books have included our name in the chapters of fistula, and how often it happens that top colorectal surgeons from across the globe, they collaborate together to write an article on you in a medical journal. So, coming back, when you arouse your mind power, how does it work? It ignites passion, subconsciously. When you are thinking about that 5 minutes in the morning, your mind is convinced, it ignites passion in you. You have that. Ganesha from India and to the Russian
Thank
Society.
you very much.
Great luck.
Thank you very much.
Cutting silicone is immensely painful because you are cutting it little bit daily. So that's a take, but still randomized control trial was needed. Always try to develop skills and better yourself. That is the message. Not to cut throat or burn out or stressed out. Always think new and upgrade your skills in a way those are innovative and give you an edge over anyone. It's not your competition, it's ultimately you versus you. You're always competing against yourself. That's what I always think like. It's not against anyone else. Not to prolong it. Thank you. MRI in the management of complex fistulas. I often say to surgeons that if you want to conquer fistula, MRI is the first citadel. I strongly recommend that surgeons should read their own MRI. What is pilonidal sinus?
Pilonidal sinus is basically means, pilus means hairs, and nidus means the nest where bacteria multiply. So these two, when added together, becomes pilonidal sinus.